What is happening, guys? We are on our way to the Imperial Sand Dunes in California. Right now we're in Arizona, but in about 10 minutes we'll be in California. Isn't that wild?
That's crazy stuff.
Insane. Absolutely wild. So we're gonna go pick up Mariana's brother Marcos, and then we're gonna head to Imperial. We've been to these sand dunes before. They're pretty hectic. Have you ever been to sand dunes? Any sand dunes before?
Yeah, I've been to a few in Australia in the past. Don't know where, but I have. It's pretty crazy. But not where they filmed bloody Star Wars. That's, that's impressive.
And
that's
Jumanji.
Really cool. And Jumanji as well. So that's really sick.
Jumanji and Star Wars are filmed at these sand dunes, which is pretty cool. So just got to the Imperial Sand Dunes. We're now heading over here somewhere. Bit of a walk. It's almost sunset, so we gotta get a move on. We want the contrast of the shadows either side of the hill. So you need to have a little bit of shadows. We've got some people rolling up.
Hello.
How far are you guys walking in?
Just
right
up here.
Oh, okay. We're gonna take some pictures. All right.
Is that Border Patrol?
Yeah.
Alright, so that was Border Patrol because we're right on the border of Mexico, California, Arizona.
Say brown guy with white people? No. What's going on there?
That's so cool, man. Look at him just drive up there.
That's fucking sick.
And he's working. And he's working.
I should say, hey bro, can I just film you, like FPV, like follow him around? Look at him, he's just doing donuts.
Yeah, he's working.
He's working. So the Border Patrol guy's just doing donuts up here. Is that another one? No, that's just someone having fun. So we'll probably set up somewhere around here. We've got no plan. No plan, just gonna film whatever. Mainly drone shots. Might get the FPV out. Probably only got maybe an hour before the sun goes down.
Sending me fucking shoes, bar.
Why would you wear Converse, bro?
I've only got 2 pairs of shoes. These are my dirty shoes.
Look at the old trusty Crocs. Full out of breath already. Haven't even walked that far. Look at that. Marcos, what are these holes? Rattlesnakes?
No, they're probably like groundhogs.
Jackrabbits.
Would you shoot one?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think we're gonna post up here. I think Mariana's gonna go somewhere over here.
Yeah.
Somewhere out there. Probably that one. Holy shit, I'm out of breath. Alright, let's put the drones on. Alright, so I'm putting up the Mini 5. I don't think it's gonna handle it too well. It's pretty windy. Ollie's got the, what do you got? The Air 3S. Probably handle it a bit more. Might put the FPV up. That'll handle it.
Take off. Home point updated.
You can see the shadow of the drone like flying on the... It's really hard to like position it, eh? First time flying a drone, how do you feel?
Bro, if I break it, it's not on me. It's on you. Hey, I don't know what I did. Why is it looking down?
It's right
like
there.
Oh.
But I don't know why.
The
it's
roller
looking
at the back, that like controls the camera. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. So right now, we're just gonna get some random shots here. Sorry if the FPV's swinging everywhere. It's on a rope FPV, POV.
Is it on the other side of the little mountain?
Maybe, yeah, it's kind of ugly here. Literally falling down this mountain. Mountain. It's a freaking sand dune, bro. So start there and just run straight up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just look dead at the camera. Got Ollie over here looking like a hero. I'm gonna quickly chuck the FPV up. The light's about to go. We might get a good 5 minutes. That's about it.